Hi, welcome to the LTS channel. Today we're going to discuss briefly why you need a 12 megapixel camera. But wait, I don't even have a 5K monitor. What's the point? Okay, maybe you don't need a 12 megapixel camera. Maybe you don't need higher resolution video. Maybe you don't need X-Search, hybrid illumination, MD 2.0, or VCAs, all bundled into a dome, bullet, or turret. Or maybe you do. Well, you're in luck. LTS has 3 5K 12 megapixel devices that will help capture crisp video at higher resolutions than what is available comparably in the CCTV market right now. And no, you don't need a 5K monitor to utilize the 12 megapixel capability of these devices. Think of it as a camera that works seamlessly with your 1080p or 2K monitors, yet still captures sharp, high-resolution video and snapshots. While you may not experience the full 5K resolution on a lower res display, the camera and compatible NVR will continue recording in 5K. This ensures that if you ever need to review footage, you'll have crystal clear recordings that capture the details, providing peace of mind in critical moments. For example, when you need to use X-Search, having better quality input will assist the AI in identifying your desired target output with greater accuracy, which ultimately translates to time saved from needing to filter through too many irrelevant results. So now ask yourself, do you need a 12 megapixel camera? Could you benefit from adding one of these devices to your systems? Get in touch with your local LTS sales rep today for more information. Alright, that's all I have for now. Thanks for tuning in. For more videos like this, hit that like button, subscribe, and leave a comment on what you want to see next.